What's the best Eagles play of all time? Make sure to cast your vote on our post tab.
All right, DJ, thank you very much. Over on the Cowboy bench, they've taken all precautions they could possibly take. You can see the fans and the mist and the umbrellas. David Akers is going to kick off for the Eagles. In back deep for Dallas, Jason Tucker and Michael Wiley, the rookie. Akers ties an onside kick to start the season.
Yeah, I saw that thing coming the way that he started. He started over on the right hash mark, and he came all the way across, and he just hit that thing.
Tom drops back under pressure. Throws it downfield for Cooks, who's open at the 40. Curls back to the inside. Decked at the 41-yard line.
Ooh. Turned around, looped back around, and never saw Malcolm Jenkins. And that definitely was a little helmet-to-helmet on that hit.
Drilled by Malcolm Jenkins. Tom Brady took a shot in the midsection.
Ooh, Brady right in the ribs. Having a tough time getting up. Man, he is bent over.